Thousands of creators are getting millions of views with abandoned movie scene videos without ever picking up a camera. No filming, no locations, no actors, just AI. Today, I'll show you how to use the abandoned movie scenes chatbot to create cinematic exploration videos for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. First, go to promptauto.io. Open the chatbot prompts section and choose the chatbot called Abandoned Movie Scenes. After purchasing, you'll receive the Gemini chatbot link inside your orders. Open the link in a new tab and launch the chatbot. Step 1 is simple. Type Start. Then Step 2, enter any theme you want. For example, Kung Fu Panda at the old movie studio, an abandoned Disney castle, a forgotten superhero headquarters, an abandoned Hollywood backlot. Anything you can imagine. The chatbot will instantly generate a complete cinematic storyboard for you. You'll get AI image prompts, POV exploration scenes, flashlight atmosphere prompts, video transition prompts, and a connected story that flows naturally from scene to scene. Instead of spending hours searching locations, filming footage, and editing everything manually, the entire creative process is already done for you. Many faceless creators use this style of content because it allows them to upload more consistently and test more viral ideas. Step 3. Copy each image prompt into Veo 3 and generate all 5 images in order. Once the images are ready, move to Step 4. Generate the videos using Veo 3, start frame, and end frame. Video prompt 1 uses image 1 and image 2. Video prompt 2 uses image 2 and image 3. Video prompt 3 uses image 3 and image 4. Video prompt 4 uses image 4 and image 5. This creates smooth cinematic movement and realistic POV exploration transitions between every scene. After that, Step 5. Combine the clips, add sound effects, background music, and upload. That's it. A process that could normally take 4 to 8 hours can now be completed in around 30 to 60 minutes, which means more uploads, more viral experiments, more opportunities to hit the algorithm, and more revenue potential from faceless content. If you're building YouTube automation channels, TikTok pages, horror content, mystery content, or cinematic AI storytelling videos, this workflow is definitely worth trying. Follow for more AI content creation workflows like this.